and Bournemouth all of a sudden trying to squeeze in behind, and Totti, as he brought down his man, it's going to be a penalty. About a minute played exactly. Can he keep Bournemouth at bay? It goes the wrong way, and the away side lead.
It's a great penalty.
Here comes Cunha, driving over the halfway line to Bellegarde on his right-hand side, 30 yards from goal. Looking to try and lift across in. Larsen's header! Oh, an immediate equaliser! Jorgen Strand Larsen on the end of Jean-Ric de Bellegarde's cross. Classic centre-forwards goal. Wolves were not behind for long. Challenged by Senesi, I think it was, on Cunha. Little flick, here comes Christie. More players over for Bournemouth. Tavernier, support from Kerkez. Oh, smashed in. Bournemouth lead again. Swift move. Well, Jose Sarr, as he's taken out there, Bournemouth are appealing for a penalty. He hesitated. Jose Sarr kicks the back boot. Whistle goes, steps up right-footed, goes a different way, but it's the same outcome. Good ball by João Gomez to try and release Guedes. Guedes gets there ahead of Senesi. Now laying on for Larsen, it's the penalty area. Strand Larsen! Wolves are back into the match. Slight deflection on it. But the Norwegian has a second in the game. Although it's been given away, and Sarr's taken his man down, and it's a third penalty to Bournemouth. What does he do now? It's Kluivert, straight down the middle. Almost a replica of the first penalty scored in the game.